All right, hi, welcome back to the Kessel Plant Laboratory. It's been a little while since my last video, but we have had plenty of things going on. What I'm doing is these grew in a grid where it's blue, purple, magenta. So this one's like a bluish purple, this is a purplish magenta, this is all magenta, this is all blue. And we would theorize that we're going to get the best out of this one right here or this one right here. And then what we're going to do is weigh the foliage. Ooh, so that's interesting what I got right there. It was just one, I guess maybe it was multiple plants. But then this is kind of interesting to see too. So we'll take note of it and run this test again. Just continuously testing these because as we're testing the clones, we're doing the cloning, we want to know, well, is there any kind of correlation with what we're seeing in the cloning and then what we see when the crop is actually in nutrients and growing. When we bring in new crops to the lab, one exercise that we perform here is we've set up a grid that starts from a bluish, blue isolated wavelength and then makes its way to a more purplish and then to a magenta. We've done tests also including an isolated red, and this is just kind of an initial test we do to identify under which spectrum the plants grow best. Here we have 4 different root crops. We have a potato here. This is a potato plant, and then we have our radishes. The carrots that you saw previously harvested occupied this vacant space in the center, and then to the very right is a turnip. We've chosen 4 root crops because we are using this as a sister experiment to one that we're performing, which identifies under which isolated wavelengths or spectrum clones put on the most root material. So we also wanted to see, while those clones are not receiving any nutrients, we saw the best results under red, but we wanted to see if that also occurred when plants were receiving nutrients from soil or hydroponically, and we're actually not seeing that. We are conversely seeing the best results probably in this is what we're terming as a deep purple treatment, in between of purple and blue, so higher on the blue scale to the red scale. We're seeing the most vegetative mass and the most root mass. We're on the second batch with our radishes and turnips, both of which confirmed what I'm telling you now, and then we have yet to remove our potatoes, but I would guess that we'll see the same results echoed. So yeah, again, from our blue to our magenta, that's one way that we are able to identify which crops, what their spectral light requirements are, and we've conducted it and posted results with leaf crops. We use basil and lettuce, and we are going to continuously start sharing with you our results as to what plants do best under what spectral light treatments, and hopefully this can help people kind of find the recipe of LED wavelengths for growing their crops best. Thanks again for coming by. My name is Josh Puckett, and you can see our postings at monorad.com. Follow us on Facebook and through YouTube. Again, thank you.